Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Chatterjee. I'm the founder and CEO of Delipat. Delipat is your authorized Salesforce implementation partner. So we have started a series where we are trying to learn how Salesforce can help a business to manage their marketing, manage their sales, manage their service data. This particular video where I'm going to talk about the sales part, right? Because sales, I would say sales, the product is called Sales Cloud, is the the main product of Salesforce. I've implemented many projects, and Sales Cloud is the most demanded product that I have seen in the market. Okay, so we're gonna talk about, first of all, I'm gonna give you a story and tell you like how a Sales Cloud can help you in a business and what are the features that it brings to the table. And then in the next video, I'm gonna show you, after logging into the screen, how to do it. Okay, what is what in that screen. All right, so let's begin. In the Sales Cloud, the very first thing is the customers. So first of all, we cannot say a customer until and unless they shows a interest, right? So we call this like somebody who is just a raw customer, right? For an example, let's say a business who has actually put up a campaign, and some people, some lead has shown their interest. Now those lead has not been contacted yet by the sales executive. We call them as a leads. So leads means leads are the people like the raw customer who just showed the interest. They have not been filtered yet. So what happened is lead gets created from different channel. That is where, if you see the other video where I'm talking about the Marketing Cloud, you'll understand that how Marketing Cloud as a software is helping the business to gather the lead inside the system. Now, the Sales Cloud, what exactly it does, basically, Sales Cloud as a system, it tracks the lead and the customer journey. Salesforce as a CRM, customer relationship management tool, because it's a customer relationship management tool, by the name only you understand, it's supposed to track the customer journey, right? So when a customer gets onboarded, from that time till the customer purchase and make the payment, it's a journey. And that's a long journey sometime. Okay, I have seen many products. Recently I was helping a customer. It's a edtech company. Okay, they are basically having education software which they are going to the schools and selling it. Now their sales, I was actually talking to their sales executive, and I found that their sales, it takes almost like a 6 month of time sometime, because they don't just get to talk to the the decision maker from the day one, right? So they just go meet somebody who is a very low level person, right? And then give a demo, and that person gets connected with another person. So it takes a lot of time to convert a customer, like from a lead to a purchase customer. This is a journey. Okay, now let's break down this journey. Let's understand what exactly comes in between this journey. First thing is lead gets created. Now leads can come from different channel. Maybe customer can do this email marketing to gather leads. Maybe a lead can come from the website. Like if you see the website has a contact us form, a lead can come there and fill up the form, and that can become a lead. So from whatever channel leads are getting generated, it should come to your Salesforce Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud has a process called web to lead, which will help businesses to gather the lead right from the website inside your Salesforce. So what happens is lead gets created first. So I'm talking about the sales journey. Okay, so first thing is lead gets created, and the next thing is once the lead gets created into the CRM system, the leads gets assigned to the executive. Some executive has to reach out to the lead saying, hey sir, you're interested, right? So let me just give you a demo. The lead has to be entertained by the sales executive. Now what happened in the business, basically there are multiple sales executive who are actually who are supposed to handle multiple different leads. Salesforce has a process called lead assignment, through which the lead can be assigned to multiple executive based on whatever criteria that I set. I, as a Salesforce admin, can put a criteria saying, hey, there's a lead named Rajesh and there is a sales executive named Gaurav, right? So Gaurav should handle all the leads that is coming from city A. Or Gaurav should handle all the leads which is showing interest on product A. Getting me right? So we as a Salesforce admin can define a rule inside the system which can determine which lead will be assigned to which sales executive. And that's pretty much configurable, right? And in fact, we actually have built a product a few days back where our leads are basically getting assigned to the sales executive in a round robin fashion. Like if you're free, you get assigned. If you're not free, it will go to the next sales executive. So all kind of customization can be done inside Salesforce. So first thing is lead is getting created, then the lead is getting assigned, and the next thing is lead auto response. Okay, the next thing, once the lead gets created, no, sometimes have you seen this, that if you, let's say, show your interest to buy some product, right? You get an email immediately that hey customer, we have received your inquiry and thanks for reaching out to us. Our sales executive will reach out to you. Some kind of email, right? That's called auto response. Salesforce as a system has a auto response rule which you as an admin can set up, through which Salesforce sends an automatic email to the customer saying we have received your lead and so, right? So even this can be a personalized email also, right? We have a lot of email templates that we can assign inside the system. So first thing is lead gets created. Then the next thing is lead get assigned to the sales executive. And then the third thing is lead gets an email and welcome email. What is the next thing? Next thing is the executive make the call. Now, when the sales executive make a call or maybe an email, that is also a data. That data should be there inside your CRM. Salesforce has a feature called activity, which we are going to learn. I'm going to show you this in the next video. Activity is something which will capture each and every activity that has been done between the sales executive and the customer. It could be an email, it could be a phone call, you can log a call there, right? So all the activities are there inside Salesforce. Now, let's say Gaurav, who was a sales executive, is going on a leave, right? Somebody is replacing Gaurav for a few days. That new person can easily understand what are the conversation has been done between Gaurav and the customer, because Salesforce has the data, and that's what the CRM job. CRM is called customer relationship management tool, where the data between the customer and the sales executive should be there. So your sales executive now reach out to the customer and say, hey customer, you're interested, let me go and give you a personalized demo. So demonstration happen, or whatever the next step is. What is next then? When the customer said, yes, I'm interested, let's come to my office, my home, and give me a demo, right? So whenever a lead says, yes, I am interested, he or she is no more a lead, right? In Salesforce, we have something called objects, okay, which this is a little technical thing, which I'll explain you later. Salesforce has something called objects. So lead is an object which hold the raw customer data, customer who has not been contacted yet by the sales executive. But the moment the lead gets connected by the sales executive, what happens is the sales executive convert the lead into an account. So account is the object which hold the customer data. Potential customer, by the way. Customer means potential. The customer still have not paid the money yet, okay? It's a potential customer, okay? So in Salesforce, we have another object called account which hold the customer data. Customer means the lead which showed a little bit of interest become a customer, okay? What is next? Next is, once the lead is converted into a customer or account, what is next? Next is the product. See, sometimes what happened, like this is like very confusing, right? I helped, recently I was helping a company which provide AMC to the businesses. AMC means like, like any software company, if they have like 100 laptops, this company, they used to help the software company maintaining or servicing their laptop. That's called like AMC. That's their product, okay? So they used to go to all the businesses and say that if you have like 100 or 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 laptops, we will go and service you for this particular money, right? Now they have a lot of product. Basically they have something called bundle. Like if you have 5 laptop, this is the price. If you have 10 laptop, this is the price. If you have 1,000 laptop, this is the price. Are you getting me, right? So they have multiple products. What is the product for them? Product is how many laptops you have. Even they used to service the printer and other technical gadget also, right? So if I'm not wrong, they had more than like 55 to 60 products basically, right? And their sales executive, definitely one sales executive is not capable enough to sell all 55 products. So they have like 25 to 22 sales executive. Their job is to basically call the customer and sell all these 55 products. And the confusing part is not to have 55 product, right? The confusing part is each and every product has multiple prices. I'll tell you what do you mean by multiple prices. So what happened is, let's say sales executive A is talking to a customer and customer is saying, you know what, I'm going to buy the product. You have to give me 20% discount. Sales executive B is talking to a customer and customer is saying, I'm going to buy the product. You have to give me 30% discount. C is giving 50% discount. So see, every product should have a fixed price. Now, if the customer is looking for a different price, or sometime a company they used to give sale, right? Like let's say in India we have Diwali, right? So Diwali offer, or like Thanksgiving Day offer. You're getting me, right? So one product may have multiple prices. It could be 15% discount, 20% discount, Diwali offer, Thanksgiving Day offer. Getting me, right? So if you have 55 products, then you think how many prices you have to manage. It's all dynamic price. Dynamic price means I am a salesperson. I want to sell a product with 50% discount. It should be dynamic, real time. Real time, I should go inside my CRM and select the price and sell it. Another person log into the Salesforce CRM, select the price and sell it. So if one product, let's say have 5 prices throughout the year, then think 55 product will have how many prices, right? So it's pretty much confusing, but guess what? Salesforce has something called products and price book. These are 2 objects which manage easily whatever complex products and price books the customer has. I mean, different price the customer has. This is what I'm going to show you in depth, like how to configure the product and price book to help the business to get n number of product, n number of prices for the product. All right. So this is again a product management part where it might sound a little confusing, but it's very easy to configure inside Salesforce. Just drag and drop process, nothing to, write code or something. So, lead who has become an account now is going to buy, let's say 5 products with a price of $1,000 each. So total $5,000, right? So the deal value is now $5,000. Now let's say that after putting so much of effort, the sales executive failed to sell the product. What's going to happen? That's data. Sales executive A has put so much of effort, but the sale did not happen. That's a data for the business. So Salesforce has another object called opportunity, which you are going to see now in next video. So opportunity as an object holds the data of the current deal value. What's the product? What is the final price? How much the discount has been given? How much the quantity is? Right? So all this data goes into the opportunity. And finally, once the deal is failed or deal is owned, the opportunity become closed lost or closed owned. Okay, so this gives, let me just help you to picturize it. Okay, I've said so many things so far. A lead comes in from different channel. Leads get assigned to a sales executive through round robin fashion or whatever with some assignment rule. Then the lead gets converted into an account. Account means potential customer. Then a product is assigned to that customer saying, hey, this customer is going to buy this product with this particular price. And then an opportunity gets created which tracks that deal. Whether after giving so much of effort, so much of demo, finally the customer has bought the product or not. Getting me? And finally, once the customer agrees, Salesforce has a very nice quotation management system. Meaning inside Salesforce, a sales executive can send a nice quotation with whatever discount, GST, VAT, or whatever tax they have, right? They can send a nice quotation to the customer, and customer can also reply back in that email saying, I accept that quote or I reject that quote, or please, rethink about quote, whatever it is. So Salesforce has again a quotation management system, quote management system, which will help the customer, the sales executive, to send the quotation right from the Salesforce. Okay, so that's the end of the journey. So this is a theoretical knowledge I just have shared with you. Next video, I'm going to show you how exactly this particular story you can actually configure inside Salesforce. So I'm going to show you the screens, how it looks like, and a little bit of how to configure, right? I cannot go in detail because this video is going to be like very lengthy else, but I'm going to show you how you as a non-IT person or as a business owner or somebody who wants to learn Salesforce can actually configure Sales Cloud end to end. All right. So please subscribe the channel to watch the next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.